choosing the right product is crucial nowadays. So that's the reason we made this video. Hope this will help you, and let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're considering Versio for DIY credit repair, here's my honest experience after using it for about 6 months. Overall, Versio has been a useful tool for taking a more hands-on approach to improving my credit. I signed up because I wanted more control over the credit dispute process instead of relying on fully automated services. And the setup was fairly straightforward. One of the biggest advantages is the level of control it gives you. It helps you analyze your credit reports and identify items that could potentially be disputed. But unlike fully automated platforms, it allows you to decide what to challenge and how to approach it. That's great if you want to actually learn how credit repair works instead of just clicking a button. Another positive is the education aspect. It breaks down credit report details in a way that makes it easier to understand what's affecting your score, like late payments, utilization, or negative marks. Over time, that helped me become more aware of my own credit behavior. However, there are some downsides you should pay attention to. The biggest one is that it requires effort and time. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. You need to actively review reports, understand disputes, and follow through yourself. Another thing to keep in mind is that results are not guaranteed. Even if you dispute items, credit bureaus may not remove them if they are accurate, so expectations need to be realistic. Also, some users may find it less convenient compared to fully automated credit repair services, since there is more manual work involved. After 6 months of use, my overall experience with Versio has been positive. It's a solid DIY credit repair tool for people who want control and understanding, but it does require time, patience, and effort to see results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether Versio is the right credit repair option for you.